So I haven't done this for ages, so just like a simple video of a bit of a ride around the Dales. So I've had really lovely weather, early spring. So I'm just leaving the what's it called, the Street Head Inn. So kind of near Newbiggin. So it's about 8:30 in the morning. So it's quite early, still a bit of a mist around. But I came in last night and did this fantastic route, but it was kind of getting dark, so I'm going to kind of retrace my steps this morning, because I just know it's a bit of a peach. So I'm really just going from here through the Dales, through a place like Arncliffe, and then round down to Skipton. So it's probably a couple of hours tops really. So just coming into Aysgarth, and I think it's compulsory to stop and have a look at the waterfall, so I'm just going to do that. It's pretty awesome. Let's see if I can well, it's looking awesome. There you go. Very nice. So we're just climbing up from Newbiggin, I think. That could be Askrigg up there, I think. I'm not very well informed, am I really? But it is a glorious early spring morning, and I'm out on my motorbike, so it doesn't get much better than that. Ooh, it was a bit sketchy. Road is called Flow Edge. It's right up on the moors. Super quiet this morning. It's still quite early, so no traffic. Dry stone walls are just amazing. No matter how high up you are, they're still here. They go on for miles and miles. Incredible, really. Gunnerside, so we're just kind of going along the valley floor, and then we'll climb up the sides again in a minute. So this is a climb, so it's up to a place called a road called Cross Tops and towards Askrigg. So it's steep. Oh. Do without that. Right, so we come down off Cross Tops, and this is Askrigg. This is a really pretty little village in the Dales. So I'm kind of at Arncliffe now, and it's really towards the end of my ride, so I'm going to head off towards Malham now, and then on to Skipton. But what a fabulous morning, blue skies, not much traffic, but a great day to be out on the motorbike in the Yorkshire Dales. So I hope you enjoyed that, and hopefully see you next time.